Hey, hey you. Want to know a secret? Get ready to be amazed. I'm going to give you a list of 5 awesome AI apps to make your life easier and more productive, even if you're a beginner. I'm so excited, let's jump right in. First up, let me introduce you to Notion AI. If you've never heard of Notion, it's like the ultimate digital workspace. But Notion AI takes it to a whole new level. Imagine a super smart note-taking assistant powered by artificial intelligence. So, how does it actually help you? Imagine you're a student drowning in lecture notes and research articles. Instead of spending hours summarizing everything, you can paste the text into Notion AI and ask it to pull out the key points. Boom! Instant study guide. Let's say you're a writer stuck in a creative rut. You can give Notion AI a brief outline of your topic, and it can help you generate ideas, flesh out your thoughts, and even suggest different ways to structure your writing. Talk about a creativity boost. Or maybe you're just the kind of person who loves to-do lists. No judgment. Notion AI can help you create those too, but here's the really cool part. It can analyze your notes and tasks and suggest things you might have forgotten to add to your list. It's like having a personal assistant who anticipates your needs, and these are just a few examples. Notion AI is constantly evolving, and there are tons of creative ways to use it to streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and make your life easier. Next up, we have Canva, and trust me, it's not just your grandma's design tool anymore. Canva has really stepped up its game by integrating some really cool AI features right into the platform. And the best part? You don't need to be a design whiz to use them. So, what exactly can Canva's AI do? Picture this. You're a social media manager short on time. You need to create eye-catching Instagram posts, a Facebook cover photo, and maybe even a quick Pinterest graphic. Instead of starting from scratch, Canva's AI can analyze your text, suggest relevant layouts, and even generate multiple design options with different color palettes and fonts. Talk about a time saver. Let's say you're throwing a birthday party and want to create a custom invitation. You can upload a photo of the birthday person, type in some basic information, and Canva's AI will do the rest. It can suggest fun graphics, create elegant text layouts, and even recommend color schemes that match the vibe of your party. Maybe you're a small business owner who needs to create marketing materials but doesn't have the budget for a professional designer. Canva's AI can help you design everything from logos and business cards to brochures and social media banners. It can even help you create presentations that look polished and professional. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. Canva's AI takes the hassle out of design, making it easy for anyone to create professional-looking visuals, regardless of their skill level. Next, we have Otter.ai, and if you've ever dreaded taking notes during meetings or lectures, you're going to love this. Otter is all about transcription, but not just any transcription. It's super accurate, AI-powered transcription that saves you a ton of time. So how does it work in practice? Picture this. You're in the middle of a business meeting, ideas are flying, but you're stuck trying to jot everything down. With Otter.ai running in the background, every word is captured, different speakers are identified, and you can even add time-stamped comments or highlights. Later, you get a searchable transcript, making it easy to find key takeaways or action items. Calling all students. Imagine being able to record your lectures, with the professor's permission of course, and let Otter.ai do the heavy lifting. Instead of scrambling to keep up with notes, you can actually focus on learning. Plus, you'll have a full transcript to review later, which is a lifesaver come exam time. But it's not just for students or professionals. Otter.ai is great for anyone who wants to capture and share conversations. Maybe you're interviewing someone for a project, or you want to record a brainstorming session with your team. Otter lets you easily capture those ideas and turn them into something shareable and actionable. No more tedious note-taking, no more trying to decipher your scribbles later. Otter.ai gives you the power of accurate and accessible transcription right at your fingertips. And last but not least, a classic one, but for good reason. It's Grammarly, and if you write online, you need this tool in your life. We all know how easy it is to miss a typo or write an awkward sentence, but Grammarly is like having a personal proofreader on call 24/7. But it's way more than just a spell checker. It uses AI to actually understand your writing and make it the best it can be. So imagine you're sending an important email like to a potential employer or a client. Not only does Grammarly catch those embarrassing typos, but it can also suggest more professional phrasing and even analyze the tone of your writing to make sure it's appropriate. First impressions matter. Let's say you're a student working on a paper. Grammarly can help you with your grammar and punctuation, of course, but it can also help you with sentence structure, clarity, and even plagiarism. No more accidental copy-pasting. But even if you're just posting on social media or writing a quick email to a friend, Grammarly can help you sound more confident and articulate. It's like having a little writing coach in your pocket, always there to make you look good. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to improve their writing, Grammarly is a game changer. Trust me, your writing will thank you. Each of these tools is designed with beginners in mind and can significantly boost your productivity. Now, let me introduce you to a remarkable app that perfectly exemplifies user-friendliness and effectiveness for beginners. And of course, we can't talk about AI apps without mentioning ChatGPT. This AI chatbot has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. It's like having access to a bottomless well of knowledge and creativity, all at your fingertips. But what can you actually do with ChatGPT? Well, pretty much anything you can imagine. Imagine you're writing a paper and you're feeling stuck. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can ask ChatGPT to give you some brainstorming prompts, generate different perspectives on the topic, or even help you write a compelling introduction. Let's say you're planning a trip and need help with the itinerary. You can tell ChatGPT where you want to go and what you want to see, and it can suggest must-see attractions, restaurants, and even help you find the best flight and hotel deals. Or maybe you're just feeling stuck and need someone to talk to. ChatGPT can be a surprisingly insightful conversation partner. You can ask for advice on a personal problem, brainstorm creative solutions to a challenge, or just have a fun and engaging conversation. The possibilities are truly endless. ChatGPT is still under development, but it's already clear that this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn, work, and even communicate. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just type in your question or request and ChatGPT takes care of the rest. It's like having an AI personal assistant, always ready to lend a helping hand, or should I say brain. I told you they were amazing. To sum it up, we've covered a lot today. We talked about 4 fantastic tools like Notion AI, Canva, Otter.ai, and Grammarly. Plus, we highlighted ChatGPT as an exceptional resource for beginners. The key takeaway is that these AI apps can truly boost your productivity and simplify your daily tasks, making them accessible to everyone regardless of your tech skills. Before I say goodbye, I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite AI apps? What apps would you like me to cover in the next video? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to AI Did Not Know That and hit the bell for more tech guides and tips. This was fun. Thanks for watching and see you next time.